In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Supabase to Claude AI. Full setup guide. We'll walk through linking your Supabase account to Claude using Claude's built-in connectors, then finish with a quick test prompt so you can confidently start using your data. You don't need to paste any secrets or keys for this. The connection uses a secure authorization flow. Start by opening Claude in your browser and heading to the settings area. You'll find a section dedicated to connectors. This is where Claude manages secure integrations with external tools, so it can retrieve or update information on your behalf. Once you're in Settings, choose the option that takes you to the Customize page for connectors. On the Customize page, open the connector library by choosing the option to browse connectors. You'll see a catalog of available integrations. Use the search bar and type Supabase. This narrows the list so you can quickly locate the official Supabase connector. Selecting the correct connector is important because it ensures the permissions and data access are scoped properly. Click Supabase, then select Connect. You'll be redirected to a Supabase sign-in and approval screen. Log into your Supabase account and review the requested permissions. Grant the permissions so Claude can interact with your project in the ways you intend, such as reading tables or creating and managing resources when allowed. If you're a member of multiple organizations or projects, make sure you're authorizing the correct one before you confirm. After you approve, you'll be sent back to Claude, and the Supabase connector should appear as connected. Now let's try a quick prompt to confirm everything's working. In a new Claude chat, reference the Supabase connector and make a simple, safe request. For example, ask Claude to list available databases or tables in your project, or to read a small, non-sensitive sample of data. If you plan to make changes, start with something minimal, like creating a test table so you can verify permissions without affecting production data. Be explicit in your prompt about the project, schema, and table names to help Claude understand exactly what to do. If you don't see data or the request fails, double-check that you're signed into the correct Supabase account, that the right project was authorized, and that the connector still shows as connected in Claude settings. You can also revoke and reconnect if you need to refresh the authorization. That's it. You've connected Supabase to Claude and run a successful test prompt. From here, you can build richer workflows while keeping your data secure and your permissions precise.